Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So today I would like to show you how to cook rice on the stove. I usually cook my rice in the pressure cooker. You may cook yours in a rice cooker, or maybe you don't know how to cook rice at all. So I'm going to show you how to cook rice. Some people find it difficult, and this was a request that someone asked me to do. So I'm going to do it, okay? And it doesn't matter what you add to the rice. The process is the same. Those things that you add do not take away from the original process. And when I say process, I mean how much rice you use, how much water you use, okay? All right. So I want to right away, I want to give you the word of the day. Normally I give you the word of the day maybe halfway through or at the end. Today I want to start it right out with the word of the day. So the word of the day is you're broke. Wow. So let's answer that question. Why are you broke? Is it for mismanagement of your money? Is it because your mother, sister, father, brother wouldn't loan you no money? Is it because you just don't make enough money? Is it because you don't want more money? Why are you broke? That's the question that I want you to answer today. Why are you broke? And when you get that answer up, solve that problem, because you don't have to be, okay? And I'm not saying it's not going to be, I'm not saying it's going to be easy to solve that problem. The problem is it takes some action to solve it. So solve the problem, first figure out why you broke, then solve the problem, and remember, it's nobody's problem but yours, okay? All right, that's the word of the day. Why are you broke? Okay. All right, so let's get right to our rice, shall we? Okay. Let me adjust the camera here. There we go. Okay. So rice is 2 to 1. 2 cups of water. This is a cup measure. 2 cups of water, 2 to 1 cup of rice. Okay, so here's my rice. Here's my pot that I'm gonna be cooking the rice in. So let's measure out 2 cups first of all. Okay, 1 cup. Two cups. 2 cups of rice. Now we need I need my water. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I have my water now in this bowl here. So I need 4 cups of water because I had 2 cups of rice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have 4 cups of water. Alright, so the rice that I'm going to make for you today is going to be a scallion pepper rice. I have some scallions here, which is from the onion family. Let me show you. It looks like this, okay? And so I'm going to put the scallions in. I have about 5 tablespoons of scallions, give or take. And I have here 1 small sweet red pepper, okay? I'm going to put that in. Okay. Now I'm going to add some seasonings, okay? You're going to always add some salt. I have some kosher salt because salt helps water boil. Just shake some in there. Seasonings, how much is up to you. Adobo, And I'm going to add some black pepper. And some garlic. So I know you're saying, oh, I never had scallion pepper rice. Well, you could, we could have added beans, or we could have added some vegetables. You can add anything to rice. That's my point in showing you today, okay? All right, now I'm going to put some olive oil in there. I'm going to count to 3. 1, 2, 3. At that slow pace, shall we? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And the olive oil help the rice so that it's not so sticky, because you know rice is a starch, so it will bind to each other, right? So when you put the oil in there, it helps. Okay, so I stirred that up. Now we're going to put this on the stove. Let me adjust you to the stove. There we go. Okay, so it's on the stove. I have a lid. I'm going to put the lid on. I'm going to turn the fire all the way up on high, which in my case number 8. Okay, and we're going to let that boil. Once it boils, I'm going to give it one stir, and then I'm going to turn the fire down. I'll bring you back at that point, okay? Thank you. Okay, so our rice is boiling. Let me let you see that. See that? Okay. So now we just want to stir that up so that nothing's sticking on the bottom. I'm just turning my pot around so I can do that. Okay, nothing's sticking on the bottom. Now we want to put the top back on, and we want to turn the fire down. Now remember, I have a gas stove. I had started it out at number 8, boil until it came to a boil. It's at a boil now, so now I'm going to turn it down, and I'm going to go to number 4 right now and let that cook on number 4. It's probably going to cook another 15-20 minutes, something like that, until all the water dry out. Okay, don't worry, I'll show you every step of the way. So I'll see you in about 15 minutes. Okay, great, thank you. Okay, so the rice has been cooking, I would say about 12 minutes, and the water, let me get a pot holder that's hot. The water has boiled down, but it's not dried out. You'll know when it's dried out because it will be, the rice will be sticking to each other, and you won't see any more moistness on the top. So I brought you back to show you that. Now I'm going to turn the rice down to number 2 on my gas stove. Number 2, okay? And then the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a piece of aluminum foil over the top of the pan. To further lock the moistness in. And then I'm going to put my top back on. And we're good now for about, I'd say 15 minutes, okay? So I'll see you in 15 minutes, okay? Our stove is on number 2 on the gas stove. Thank you. Okay, so let's check on our rice. I would say that overall it's been cooking for about 40 minutes or so, okay? But the way we're going to tell is as if the rice have separated and is done. So let's see. I'm taking the, oh, sorry. I just took the aluminum foil off that we had over the top here. And I can tell right away it's flaky on the top. Look at this. Look how that drops. You see that? Look. See? It's not sticking. It's coming right off that spoon. You see that? Do it again. You see that? That's how you know it's done. Okay? And let's taste it. Yes. It's not soggy. It's still holding its firmness. Let me show you this. Okay. How about that, huh? You like that? Let me put some on a plate and get a thumbnail. 1 second. Okay, let me get a thumbnail. How about that, huh? Yeah? Okay. And look at the flakiness. Let me show you. Look. Let me show you this way. See that? Fall right off that spoon. You see that? That's what you want. So now you know how to cook rice on the stove, okay? Alright. Until next time, give me a thumbs up if you like that. I showed you now how to make a different variation of rice. You don't have to have just white rice. You can add broccoli or vegetables or beans or anything you want to add to it. Meat. Anything you want to add to it. I showed you how to make the rice, and then your additives you just add, okay? The only difference is make sure you don't add a lot of extra water. So if you're going to do vegetables, drain the water off first. If they're frozen, thaw them out in the microwave first and then drain the water off. So that, because more water would make your rice, it could make your rice a little soggy, okay? Alright, until next time, I'll talk to you later. Another one from Grandma Ray. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.